pneumatic system for 35 CW rear 9 foot welder.
Yeah, the magnets and the cuts underneath. Yeah, we got them. Okay.
Is this our new chief welder man then? Is it?
I think this is the up and down operation of the foot welder. Obviously pneumatic press, it's got a soft start coming down, so no entrapment. These are two push buttons which you have to press at a full down position, and it won't work until it's in a full down position.
I think you can do the job for us, away.
So bringing the head down like so. Locate the actual welding. In this case there's some magnets inside there, so be a bit more careful what you're doing. When in a down position here, and then press the two buttons when you're ready. There you go. Okay, press your buttons. Again, you get the welding here. Use the button, put that on left hand side to lift, and then you have a nice weld. Can I look at the weld? You'll see a really nice weld there. And the system works really well. Can you press that button, the left and right one? That brings the head down but under low pressure. There you go. And then back up. And again. There you go. It's under low pressure, so there's no entrapment. Yep, okay, thank you.